The palace is denying claims that former President Rodrigo Duterte did not receive proper medical care after his arrest on Tuesday, March 11. Duterte's daughter Veronica Kitty Duterte said her father did not receive adequate medical attention during his stay at the Villamor Air Base in Pasay City. He was brought there after being arrested upon his arrival at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport from Hong Kong. In a photo posted on Instagram on Tuesday, Kitty Duterte claimed that her father was getting weaker by the minute as his glucose levels shot up beyond normal levels. In a briefing on Wednesday, March 12, Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro was asked for clarification on the claims of Kitty Duterte. Castro says,
"Hindi po yan totoo. Dahil nung panahon po na siya po ay nasa kustodiya na po, talaga pong ang pagtrato po sa kanya ay hindi po lamang basta-basta. Tinrato pa rin po siya bilang Pilipino at bilang former president. Kompleto po ang kasamahan po doon, may mga doktor po, may mga nurse, nandun din po ang kanyang mga abogado. So wala pong katotohanan na hindi po nabigyan siya ng tamang atensyon, especially patungkol sa medical needs na kailangan po niya."
The former chief executive is a subject of an arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court for alleged crimes against humanity he reportedly committed during his administration's war on drugs. He flew in a chartered plane on Tuesday night bound for The Hague, Netherlands, to face charges in the International Criminal Court headquarters.